What's up guys, Mikee Mercado here, your one and only plus size Barbie. So today ay ipapakita ko or sasabihin ko yung informations about sa mga officials na makakaharap ninyo or may encounter nyo during your first year as a college student at Pangasinan State University, Bayambang Campus. So, hanggang 4th year ninyo, depende yun sa course ninyo kung anong makukuha ninyong course. Sa amin kasi as an Abel student, 4-year course kami, kaya 4 years namin makakasama yung mga teachers na masasabihin ko, yung mga officials na sasabihin ko. Kung ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, mag-subscribe ka na at i-share mo tong video nito para ma-share mo ang good vibe at to gather information galing sa akin. Let's now move on guys sa ating Pangasinan State University Bayambang Campus officials. So, titingnan ko na lang po dito sa aking iPad yung yung mga officials ng campus kasi hindi ko sila kabisado masyado. Pero ito na sila. Let's start. So, yung campus executive director po namin is si Dr. Cesar G. Delia. Sa campus executive secretary naman po namin is si Miss Jermaine A. Villanueva. Yung sa College of Teacher Education po, the Dean is Dr. Roy Ferrer. Yung mga department chairs naman po namin sa Professional Education is si Dr. Amado C. Ramos. Sa Languages po, Assistant Professor Maria Teresa E. Macaltao. Sa Social Science naman po is si Mr. Hilario Taborda. Sa Technology and Livelihood Education is si Mr. Leo Calingasan. Sa MAPE Department po, sa BIPED, is si Mr. Felipe M. Moreno. Sa Science and Mathematics po namin is si Dr. Rico A. Reyes. Sa College of Arts, Science and Technology po kami, sa CAST. Yung dean po namin is si Sir Leonardo V. Basilio. Yung department chairs po namin ay sa Business Administration, si Dr. Gudilia M. Samson. Sa Public Administration naman po, Dr. Susie Masison. Sa English Language po is si Mrs. Jennifer M. Paragas. Sa Information and Technology, si Assistant Professor Joseph B. Campit. Sa Campus Coordinators and Function Heads naman po tayo. Sa Student Services, si Mr. Leonardo V. Basilio Jr. Sa Research po, Mr. Rodelio Garin. Sa Extension, Dr. Perla de los Santos. Sa Planning Officer, Mr. Joselito D. Daguison. Sa PRPIO po, Mrs. Mary Ann Bullagay. Sa IGP and Auxiliary Services po, si Mr. Leo H. Calingasan. Sa MIS Officer naman po, si Mr. Kim Eric B. Nanlabi. Sa Technical Staff, Mr. Owen Mendoza. Sa Cultural Affair and Performing Arts, si Mr. Jordan Neri. Sa Physical Plans and Facilities, Mr. Jameson. Bala. On-the-job training naman po is si Mr. Christian A. Gamo. Sa practice teaching naman po is si Associate Professor Perla G. de los Santos, BE po yun. Sa practice teaching po ng BSE is si Mrs. Agnes Valdez. Sa Accreditation and Quality Assurance, Dr. Raquel G. Larang. Sports, Dr. Ray T. Mangsar. National Service Training Program or NSTP is si Mr. Fel Cristi. Enactus, Dr. Gregoria M. Musti. Non-ICT Computer Laboratory, Mr. William P. Cayetano. Gender and Development, Dr. Divina Serra. Reflector Advisor is Ms. Jovelyn L. Bullo. Reflector Co-Advisor is si Ms. Jermaine A. Villanueva. Coordinator Academic Services, Mrs. Naomi C. Ribong. Coordinator Clinical Services, Dr. Divina Serra. So ngayon naman po is tumungo tayo sa history ng Pangasinan State University Bayambang Campus. The Pangasinan State University was chartered through the issuance of Presidential Decree Number 1497 promulgated on June 11, 1978 and became operational on July 1, 1979. The university integrated the collegiate courses of 5 DECS supervised institutions in the province and all the programs of the Central Luzon Teachers College, CLTC, and Western Pangasinan College of Agriculture, WPCA. Institutionally speaking, there were only 2 institutions that were integrated into the university system, namely the then Central Luzon Teachers College, CLTC, in Bayambang, and Western Pangasinan College of Agriculture in Infanta. For other institutions, namely the Singan School of Arts and Trades or ASAT in Asingan, Eastern Pangasinan Agriculture College or EPAC in Santa Maria, Pangasinan College of Fisheries, Pangasinan College of Fisheries, PCF in Binmalay, Pangasinan School of Arts and Trades or PSAT in Lingayen, and the speaker, Eugenio Perez National Agriculture School or SEPNAS in San Carlos City, that were integrated into the system with their respective collegiate programs. These said schools are still operating under the administration and supervision of Department of Education or DepEd, and Technically Education and Skill Development Authority or TESDA. In 1953, the normal school with the elementary school in the district of Bautista and the Bayambang National High School were merged to become the Philippines UNESCO National Community Training Center. It operated as a school division in Pangasinan. Republic Act 5707 converted school into a chartered institution. The then Central Luzon Teachers College on June 21, 1969, as provided in the charter of the college. The major function of this institution are instruction, research, and extension service. So yun na nga guys, sana nakatulong sa inyo ang history at ang mga official o ang campus official ng Pangasinan State University sa pagdating ng school year 2020 and 2021. So sana galingan po natin and aim high for our goals. Always remember guys, be gorgeous, be glamorous, be authentic, be Mikeelicious. Bye guys!